Have you ever dreamed of going to Europe, but you don't know how to go, what visa you need, or how much it costs? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. First, let's talk about the main ways to go to Europe. There are 4 common ways. Number 1. Student visa. This is one of the easiest and safest ways. You can apply to a university in Europe. Countries like Germany and Italy offer affordable education. You may also work part-time while studying. Number 2. Work visa. If you have skills, you can get a job in Europe. Jobs in IT, construction, and driving are in high demand. Countries like Poland and Portugal are popular choices. Number 3. Tourist visa. You can visit Europe for a short time, usually 15 to 30 days. You will need a strong bank statement. Most people apply for a Schengen visa. Number 4. Business or investment visa. If you have money, you can invest or start a business in Europe. Some countries also offer golden visas. Now let's talk about the cost. Student visa can cost between 10 to 20 lakh Pakistani rupees. Work visa may cost around 5 to 12 lakh. Tourist visa can cost between 3 to 7 lakh. Here are some important documents you need. A valid passport, bank statement, IELTS for students, offer letter, and travel insurance. Now, some common mistakes you must avoid. Never trust fake agents. Do not use fake documents. Keep your bank statement strong. Always follow the official process. Here are some pro tips. Germany and Italy are great for beginners. Poland is easier for work visas. Always check official embassy websites. Finally, if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more amazing videos.